the different ways of writing. This lesson, the objective is to have students will be able to create different text types on different topics. The reason why is this important, is because students need to be able to vary their writing depending on the topic. So sometimes you're going to make a point and support it. You need to write in different ways, because each point, each support can have a different way of writing it, a different example. So the way we're going to practice this, well, we're going to have a graphic organizer that looks like this, topic in the center broken up into 5 different parts. Each part is asking you to write in a different way. So up here in the top left, we have description, in other words, the look, compare and contrast, or in other words, what is the same, what is different, order or steps or time, problem solution, and then finally cause and effect, or reasons and results. So if we put a topic in the center, let's say online classes are good, we can, what does it look like? So watch videos of recorded class, weekly live classes online, students are there at the same time, students not present at the same time, because different online classes are run in different ways, usually no building, and you're usually by yourself. So then we go to the next section. How is it the same or different from other ways of learning? So we go to the next section, and both have teachers, assignments, tests, grades. They differ in where, when, and how classes take place. So now we're going over to our next section. What is the process in taking these? But order can also be, for example, time. So I talked about process, but you could easily talk about time. When were the first classes online taken, what did they look like, and what was the progress of online classes throughout time. But I chose to go with process. Online equals watch video, then take a test or quiz or assignment. In class equals go to class, listen to teacher, then take a test, quiz, or assignment. So the next section, problem solution. I think this is a great one, especially when you have a dichotomy or a topic that has, yes or no or good or bad type of topic. You can use the problem solution to talk about counter arguments. What are some problems with this idea? So for example, with online classes, it's easy to cheat online. So maybe a solution could be have students physically take a final exam in a university, which might be a possibility. And then finally, cause and effect. What are the results and the reasons of this topic? Well, some causes, tech is better today. So online classes are available due to better technology. More people have the internet. Again, better technology and internet, Wi-Fi, things like that. More people can learn. These are going out to the results or the effects. More people can learn, and less money for education. Because if you can enroll in an online class 300 to 1,000 students, and you don't actually have to have a building, you just need to have an internet connection, you could probably teach a whole lot more people. So now it's your turn. Here is a topic, and I would like you to give me these different ways of writing. And you will be expected to do this in class as well.